Unbox tayo guys ng impact frames. Tingnan natin kung gaano kasulit to. Check muna natin baka kung anong laman nito. Unbox natin to guys.
Checking all you haters got bad news. Real dog know I got an attitude. Too much talking in the chat room. Painting you boys like a tattoo. Thinking you step in the game and run up to me. Oh no, that's a bad move. Doing whatever I want. The team on my back, do it like I had to. Out of my way, I'm tryna be great. I feel amazing. You think you brave? That could get dangerous. Stay out of my way. Just talking to the greatest, what it feel like. Show you what to do with the spotlight. Move like a pro, yeah, that's what it look like. I got control, know how to do it right. Can't find a way. Whatever you do, I'ma send it right back. You ain't even putting in the work like that. We ain't on the same field, we ain't on the same track. No, not today. Got the whole squad and we about to turn up. If it ain't raw, then it probably ain't us. Only giving out L's, we ain't giving no. Out of my way, I'm tryna be great. I feel amazing. You think you brave? That could get dangerous. Stay out of my way. Just. Checking all you haters got bad news. Real dog know I got an attitude. Too much talking in the chat room. Painting you boys like a tattoo. Thinking you step in the game and run up to me. Oh no, that's a bad move.